We are doing our one box Revolution 2021 three random teams per spot break number one. Have our box right there. Gonna run through it. Names really quick. Have Rodolfo with spot one, and the way we do it, we do have the order that you bought in, and then copy and pasted 3 times down for the three random teams. So we have Rodolfo with 1, Steve with 3, Kip with 2, Mark with 1, Michael with 1, Alan with 1, and Ryan with 1 to round off the 10. And it starts over Rodolfo with 1, Steve with 3, Kip with 2, Mark with 1, Michael with 1, Alan with 1, and Ryan with another one to round off that 10. Drop down again, Rodolfo with 1, Steve with 3, Kip with 2, Mark with 1, Michael with 1, Alan with 1, and Ryan with 1. So there is everybody's spots. Gonna roll the dice now. Actually, let's run through the random really quick first before we get that done. So I have our random here. Rodolfo, Steve with 3, Kip with 2, Mark with 1, Michael with 1, Alan with 1, Ryan with 1. Rodolfo with 1, Steve with 3, Kip with 2, Mark with 1, Michael with 1, Alan with 1, Ryan with 1. And then the bottom 10 again, Rodolfo with 1, Steve with 3, Kip with 2, Mark with 1, Michael with 1, Alan with 1, and Ryan with 1. Same thing with the teams. Have the Hawks down to the Wizards. Gonna get into the dice roll now for the randoms. Have our 2 dice right here. Standard dice, we only re-roll snake eyes. Here we go. Have a 1 and a 5. Gonna be running the random 6 times. Here we go. Gonna start with the names. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th, and final. I have Steve on top and Kip on bottom. Six times. Steve on top and Kip on bottom. Going into the teams now. Same thing, 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th, and final roll. Here we go. Have the Rockets on top and Grizzlies on bottom. 6 times. Rockets on top and Grizzlies on bottom. I'm going to sort you guys A to Z. Show all your spots. So you have Allen with the Spurs, Bucks, and Pelicans. Kip with the Pistons, Kings, Nets, Clippers, Suns, and Grizzlies. Mark with the Lakers, Hornets, and Bulls. Nice roll there. Michael with the Thunder, Raptors, Wizards. Rodolfo with the Warriors, Heat, and Nuggets. Ryan with the Blazers, Magic, and Celtics. Steve with the Rockets, Timberwolves, Mavericks, Pacers, Jazz, Cavaliers, Knicks, Hawks, and 76ers. I'll move that to 75 so you guys can see all your teams. If anybody wants any trades, feel free to drop that down below. Both parties must confirm. Gonna give it a minute or two. If nothing happening, we will get started. Matthew, we do have a break 2. Same breakdown of 3 random teams per spot. It is up on our website. I have 8 spots left in that one. Anybody has any trades? Trade window is open now. Both parties must confirm. Drop them down below. Like I said, a minute or two and we'll get started. All right, looks like we shouldn't have any trades, so let's get started. Yep. Gonna move the dice out of the way. First revolution break. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Fresh box. Empty box. Leave that off to the side. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Here we go, starting with pack 1. Good luck to everybody that hopped in. Starting with a Jason Tatum. Paul George. Kevin Durant. I have a Kevin Huerter. Out of 100. 6 of 100. Followed by a Jalen Smith. Have a DeMar DeRozan. Yusuf Nurkic. Marvin Bagley. Have a Gold Star Revolution Michael Porter Jr. Followed by a Shockwave Kawhi Leonard. Damian Lillard. Blake Griffin. Tobias Harris. Shockwave Joel Embiid. and a Desmond Bain. Lauri Markkanen, Donovan Mitchell, Goran Dragic, have a Damian Lillard parallel here, and then a Rookie Revolution, Killian Hayes. Devin Booker, Steph Curry, Giannis, have a Bradley Beal fractal here, followed by a Peyton Pritchard. 3 packs left. Brandon Clark, Kawhi Leonard, Tim Hardaway Jr., have a Tashawn Tate Groove parallel, and then a Denny Advija or Advija Rookie Revolution. 2 packs left. Brandon Ingram, DeJounte Murray, have a Kelly Oubre Jr. Nice Anthony Edwards Astro insert here. Going to the Timberwolves. Nice hit there. And then a Kenyon Martin Jr. Nice hit to the T-Wolves. Last pack. Chris Middleton. Have a Kyle Lowry. Have a Nikola Vucevic auto to the Magic. Followed by a Jarrett Culver Astro. And then a Vortex Donovan Mitchell to round off the break. Nice hit to the T-Wolves with the Anthony Edwards Astro. Appreciate everybody that hopped in and filled that break up. We are running a second break up on our website. This will be uploaded later once the live's over. Like I said, thanks everybody that filled us up there. That is going to close out break number 1.